expect with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy with cream or patch. For cream, within 45 minutes of applying cream, you have to avoid hugging or touching the affected area with other people or animals to prevent transfer. You should use a cream after taking a shower or exercise, not before. It usually takes 2 or 3 months for receptors to build up for you to feel the full effect. Apply cream twice daily so the peak and trough of the dosing is within 24 hours, and you can get up or down the dose as needed. For patches, is a very low dose and is applied twice weekly to mitigate menopausal symptoms. Showering or sweating in a sauna or hot weather can decrease adherence.